So I just made about $10,000 using this strategy that I'm about to show you. This price action trading strategy will make you filthy rich. And the best part is, it is so simple once you mastered it. The whole gist of this strategy is based on the concept of momentum loss through candlestick shapes and sizes, which is a very powerful price action trading strategy. The first thing before we do anything is to identify key levels. As you can see, there is a very strong support level right here because this is where price hits and then reverses from. And now, guess what? We are back here again. Here's a very important point to note since we are looking for high win rate reversal trade setups. We want to see the candlesticks getting smaller and smaller as they approach a key support or resistance level, because this shows us that price is losing momentum. So you want to see price losing momentum and slowing down as it approaches a key level. You can see price literally form a big fat candle followed by a smaller candlestick and then another smaller candlesticks, and you can just see like the candlesticks start getting smaller and smaller, and then finally we have a smaller long wick candle right here rejecting this support level, and then price gave us a doji candlestick, which is a reversal candlestick, and this causes price to reverse and head back up. So you could have gotten in for a buy right here when you see that price is losing momentum and is reversing at this key support level. Here's another example. We can draw a support level right here because the last time price came back down here, it ended up reverse and pumping to the moon. Once again, you can see as price approaches this key support level, the candles are getting smaller and smaller. This shows us that the sellers are losing momentum, losing steam, which means that some sellers, they might be taking profits as they see price reaching this key support level. I want you to focus on the candlesticks that is forming at this key support level. You can see that price is showing us not one, not two, not three, but multiple long wick candles. And this just tells us that price is not breaking past this level, so it's gonna reverse and head back up. It really does not want to go down. It's just like, you know, the person that you like, but then who doesn't like you back. No matter how much you try, she's still not gonna like you back. This is what's happening right here. The candlesticks do not want to budge. Once again, you could have entered for a buy right here when you see multiple long wick candles, which is pretty much just rejecting this support level. And I'll place my stop loss a few pips below this key support level and place my take profit all the way up at the next key level right here, because there is a very strong resistance level right here. And if you guys know me, you guys will know that I trade from one key level to the next key level. Here's another example, but this time we have a resistance level instead. You can see I can draw a resistance level right here because whenever price come back up here, it always failed to break past it and always end up reversing and heading back down. Here's a pro tip for you. You want to look for a change in color of the candlesticks at a key support or resistance level. Here's what I mean. As price is going up, look at all these green candlesticks. This shows us that there is a lot of bullish momentum, a lot of bullish price action pushing the price up. There's literally 8 green candles in a row, and then finally price gave us a red, bearish engulfing candlesticks at this key resistance level, and look at what price did. Price reversed and head back down. A good trading strategy will allow you to know when to trade and when not to trade. So here are some price action examples where you want to avoid. Right here we have a double top, so we can draw a resistance level right here. Now look at what price is doing as it's coming up to this resistance level again. We have a small green candle followed by this big ass juicy green candlestick, which show us that price is gaining momentum as it approaches this key resistance level. This tells us that buyers are in control, and then price gave us a red candle next, which shows us that people try to enter for a sell right here at this resistance level, but they failed miserably. And then price just burst right through it. This is a very common mistake that beginner traders will make. They will enter immediately when they see like a red candle at a resistance level. They will enter for a sell right here, only for price to burst through it, stop them out, and then price in the end still go in their way. And they end up like what is going on? No, the market hates me. Here's another pro tip. Always look out for what the candles are doing at a key level. Big fat candles like this means that there is a lot of momentum and buyers are in control. So in this case, we do not want to enter for a sell yet. We want to be patient enough to see what price is doing at this key level first and then go from there. Here's another example. We can draw a support level right here because whenever price come back down here, it always end up reversing and heading back up. Not once but twice. Two times failed to break past this level, just like your ex. And right now, price is coming down to this support level again. And price is not giving us candlesticks that are getting smaller and smaller. It's still big. Look at these candlesticks right here. It is still big, right? It doesn't give us candlesticks that is like getting smaller and smaller, which show us that price is losing steam. No, it does not give us that. It gave us big red candlestick, big red candlestick, big red candlestick. And this tells us that there is a lot of sellers momentum. So in this case, you do not want to be entering for a buy at this support level. In this case, you want to react to the market and look at what price did. Price gave us a big red candlestick just piercing right through this support level. This tells us that the sellers are in control of the market and price is going to crumble and just shoot back down, go to shit. If you are still watching this, you deserve another pro tip. Trading is not about predicting the future. It's about reacting to what the market shows us, reacting to what the price action shows us. Always make sure that you react to the market instead of imposing your thoughts onto the market. Just because you see a green candlestick at this key support level does not mean that you must enter for a buy immediately, alright? You always want to see what price is doing at the key level and then react to it and then trade from there. Just to show you guys this strategy works, I use this strategy to trade gold and end up making over like $9,500, which is pretty much $10,000. Alright, let's just round up. Alright, so like I said, the first thing before you do anything is that you want to mark up your major support or resistance levels so that you will know where to buy and where to sell. So I marked up like a major support level right here, and as you know, gold has been in this major downtrend and just been going down. So I was like, you know what, gold is coming down to this support level right here, and I'm expecting some buyers to be at this support level pushing the price up. So there's another like minor support level right here. I saw that price is at this like minor support level right here, so I went to like the 1 hour time frame to look for momentum loss. Remember, this strategy is based on momentum loss, and as you can see, like the candlesticks going down, and look at what the candlesticks are doing at this this minor support level. It's literally making like small candlesticks and small candlesticks, which show us that price do not have the momentum to push the price down to break past this level. So it's about to reverse, or rather like retrace a little bit before even going down even further. Another sign was this long wick candle right here, which just show us that price is just rejecting this level. Remember, like the second pro tip that I taught you guys is to notice a color change in the candle. At this key level, you can see it used to be like all black candlesticks, a lot of black candlesticks, which is red candlesticks by the way for those of you who are colorblind. And then over here at this key level, price is finally giving us like more blue candlesticks, which is the green candlesticks by the way, and yeah, more green candlesticks, which means that buyers are starting to come into this market and pushing the price up. And then basically when price get down to this like minor support level, I did not enter for a buy yet because I want to wait for some sort of confirmation that tell me that price is going to reverse and it's not going to go back up, right? I'm waiting for some sort of confirmation. So I went to the 15-minute time frame to look for my entry, and as you can see, price has like broken through this minor support level, but most likely it's going to be a fake out because there's this like green candlestick pushing the price up and price really does not want to go down, right? If I wanted to get a sniper entry, I would have gotten in right here, but I failed to do that because I wasn't looking at my charts at that point of time, so I had to wait for another entry. So you see like right here, price was just like consolidating around this area here, and I was just waiting for some sort of entry, so I could even mark up like another resistance area being formed right here. So right now you can see price is just consolidating in this box, and I'm waiting for price to break out of this box for me to get an entry, right? So I just waited, and right here. So right here is where I entered for the buy position, and let's look at how this trade play out. And you can see price went up and smashed my take profit. It was like a very quick trade. I literally made over like $9,000 over a few hours. And as you can see, there was this other trade that I took right here. So, but I'm gonna cover that in the next unfiltered trading episode, which is coming out next week. Now that I have proved to you guys this strategy works, go ahead and backtest on your demo account or just like backtest it on your trading view or whatever, right? Just make sure you backtest this strategy before you test it out on your live account. This price action strategy shows you how to trade reverses. But what if you want to trade breakout? What do you do when price is breaking out? You need to watch this video next to find that out. Welcome to the tribe, and remember, you're just one trade away. Mwah.